Created by Zahir Sayyad. Proprietary statement. This presentation includes intellectual property, creative concepts and data of Elinx Infotech, EPMS ERP, and that shall not be disclosed or be duplicated, used, in whole or in part, for any purpose other than to introduce the reader to Elinx Infotech, EPMS ERP. If any contract is awarded to Elinx Infotech, EPMS ERP as a result of, or in connection with, the submission of these concepts and data, then Elinx Infotech, EPMS ERP will have all rights and ownership of the contract. Empowering Imagination. Elinx Infotech. EPMS, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) Solution. Call Center Management. Empowering Imagination. Empowering Imagination. EPMS, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) Solution. Call Center Management. Time Manager, Hardware Integration. Empowering Imagination. This screen is integrated with the calling system hardware, giving the manager an accurate information about the agent login information. Agent connected to the system are the ones ready to receive call. Empowering Imagination. This is the main screen to which the agent will be logged in. The highlighted Ready for Call button marks the agent available to accept calls. Empowering Imagination. EPMS, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) Solution. Call Center Management. Outbound and inbound calling process. Empowering Imagination. For an outbound call, cold calling, the agent has to type the contact number in the system and press the call button. This will trigger a direct call to the customer using the phone line's calling system. Empowering Imagination. For an inbound call from an existing customer, the system will auto-load the customer information from the database. System will load the details captured in the previous interaction along with remarks/notes mentioned by the previous agent. Empowering Imagination. EPMS, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) Solution. Call Center Management. Lead search, follow-ups and history. Empowering Imagination. This screen is used to search for the callbacks scheduled between a specified date. The agent can access only his or her leads in this screen. Only the admin has access to all leads. Selecting a contact here will auto-load the customer profile on the calling screen. Empowering Imagination. The history screen will advise the agent about all the interactions previously done with the customer. This screen can show the various stages through which a lead is processed. Empowering Imagination. EPMS, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) Solution. Call Center Management. Call Center Management Reports. Empowering Imagination. Executive Call Duration Report gives a complete breakdown of the calls taken or made by an agent. Call date, time and duration information is available for each call. Empowering Imagination. The abandoned call report can track the calls which were received but not answered. This is very helpful to make sure every lead is attended to. Empowering Imagination. Agent Performance Report will provide an insight on the performance of an agent depending on the lead status. Empowering Imagination. Escalation Report gives the information about the callbacks promised, but not made to the client. The system intelligently picks up leads on which a promised callback is not made by the agent. Empowering Imagination. The Lead Source Report will assist the management in understanding the main sources through which the maximum leads are generated. This can be utilized for managing marketing strategies. Created by Zahir Sayyad. Proprietary statement. This presentation includes intellectual property, creative concepts and data of Elinx Infotech, EPMS ERP, and that shall not be disclosed or be duplicated, used, in whole or in part, for any purpose other than to introduce the reader to Ellingson Photek, APMS-ERP. If any contract is awarded to Ellingson Photek, APMS-ERP as a result of, or in connection with, the submission of these concepts and data, then Ellingson Photek, APMS-ERP will have all rights and ownership of the contract. Thank you.